I'm Cindy and we're going to be baking up some cakes with great taste.
Hey everybody, today I am making a Magikarp Pokemon cake. Right now I'm getting it all iced and ready to decorate. I like to mark the serving pieces on the top of my cake before I start, and I'm drawing my picture on with a toothpick. I don't need a pattern for this one. Most of the time I just draw my cake picture on freehand, and this one was very easy, so that was not a problem. It's always easier on the pictures if you draw the design with an outline first and then fill in the rest of your design with your star tip. My cake is almost done. Now that all my colors are on the cake, I am going back and re-outline everything so that it makes the picture look sharper. So I need some water bubbles and some seaweed to make it look like Magikarp is floating out in the deep sea. And there is my finished cake. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please turn on those notifications. I will see you in the next video. Bye.